Balboa Park began as 1,400 acres of land set aside in 1868 by San Diego civic leaders. Back then, the park was known as City Park. It took over 20 years for development to begin on Balboa Park, or City Park. In 1892, Kate O'Sessions leased 30 acres of City Park for her nursery. In return, she would plant 100 trees per year throughout the park and donate others to the city for planting elsewhere. Here we are facing the Natural History Museum. Beautiful building. Very pretty building. In 1933, the San Diego Natural History Museum opened. The building was designed by William Templeton Johnson. I like the details in the edge of the roof. Very detailed. Very cool. Looks like Balboa Park is packed. Lots of people.
Yeah, it's because it's a 4th of July.
So if you take a right here and go down this street right here, that's where San Diego Zoo is. San Diego Zoo was established in 1916 at the same time that the Panama, California Exposition took place. This is also when they changed the name from City Park to Balboa Park. The architectural styles in Balboa Park are Spanish Colonial Revival, Mission Revival, and Pablo Revival. We're gonna go inside, see what it looks like inside. It's alright, it'll show up. Look at these columns. Looks like Mayan. It's like Mayan columns. Looks hungry, doesn't he? Looks like replica of Mayan columns. And this is Anglo-Saxon Queen. This is pretty cool. Go stand in front of the statues, but he's missing his hand. Wonder who these were. Must have been artists because they got artist pals. And over here is the botanical garden. Looks like they're closed. That's a bummer. I would have liked to gone in there. The Botanical Building and Lily Ponds were built in preparation for the 1915-1916 exposition. It features more than 2,100 permanent plants. This historic building is one of the largest lath buildings in the world. Fish pond in front of the botanical garden. I have to see if there's any koi fish in there. What if there's any fish in the pond?
Be my brother. Let's get together.
Those ducks are loving it.
That's a beautiful water lily.
Yes, it is. Those water lilies are beautiful. Healthy looking.
Oops, I feel like swimming.
Be refreshing, huh? And on the walkway in Balboa Park.
People just having fun. A lot of people.
Street performers are back. Things are starting to get back to normal. That's a good sign.
You fight. Alright? That's why the game's like this, alright?
It's a bell tower next to the dome.
I don't even.
The architecture here is amazing. Here's the San Diego Museum of Art building. The San Diego Museum of Art was built in 1926.
this area here used to be, you can drive around here. And now they changed. It's nice, it's cool. Especially when it's night time, it's beautiful.
If you go across this bridge right here, you'll end up in Hillcrest. So down that bridge is where Hillcrest is. This is the Japanese Friendship Garden. This is an expression of friendship between San Diego and its sister city, Yokohama. Here we are at the Tea Pavilion, right above the Japanese Garden. This is the Japanese Garden. It's absolutely beautiful. This is the Speckles Organ Pavilion. It was built in 1916, contains more than 5,000 pipes ranging in length from size of a pencil to 32 feet, and is the largest outdoor pipe organ in the world. They changed the name of the museum from Museum of Man to Museum of Us.
Oh, nice and cool.
Feels good, huh? Got a breeze going. The Museum of Man, or Us, was built in 1915. Here I am taking the bridge over to Inez Grant Park Memorial Rose Garden. This rose garden features 2,400 rose bushes with 180 different varieties. Okay, here we come into the rose garden. Imagine having to take care of all these. It's got to take a lot of work. Controlling all the bugs and whatnot in these roses. Got really pretty orange ones over here. Let's get a picture of those. I don't see orange roses that often. And they go all the way down there. I'm not going to walk all the way there, but and then over on the other side they have desert landscape, which is pretty much native to California. So they have cacti and things like that, succulents. Don't want to get stuck by that. That would hurt. I'm waiting for a lizard to come running out, or snake come slithering out. Look at this cactus over here. Looks like a tree. Wonder how old that thing is. Giant cactus tree.